I'm Ethan Kwan, and today, welcome to part 12 of how to make a marble race. This time, I'm going to be showing you one of the classic marble race parts imaginable, the plinko. Now, the plinko is very fun. This is how it works. It plinks along, basically. So this is how to make a plinko. So take first off, turn on grid. It's gonna make it much easier. And then choose how big your plinko is gonna be. I'm gonna choose 9 meters, and I'm gonna glue it to the background. Okay, and now you can make it as big as you want. So I'm gonna make it around that big. So anywhere between here, it basically is that big. So I'm just gonna copy this. So clone. There we go. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a plinko. So we can't move these, which is great. Okay. So what do we do? How big are the marbles? Okay. So whatever the size of the marble is, let's see what size of the marble. It's around 1 square. So I'm gonna make each plinko bar 2 squares, or a radius, a circle 2 squares in diameter. So for example, like that. So 2 squares. If we put it right there, it's gonna fall. So we're gonna have to glue it to the background. Okay, now what we can do is we can copy it. Copy and put it also 2 centimeters away. Same thing. Put all these 2 centimeters away. There we go. Okay, so now we have a basic plinko. It's kind of lame. Okay, so here we have a basic plinko. Okay, anyway, so now we have this. This is the most basic plinko you can come up with. Now, what we do to make it less boring is we add another row of this. So we can just copy this. Copy and paste. Okay, so make sure you leave a 2 centimeter gap, or 2 gap. Okay, and you're gonna have to add one more circle. So you're gonna have to copy this. Okay, there we go. Now we made row 2. Now, to prevent any marble to get stuck in here, what we do is we add a little square right here, like that. And then we can glue it to the background. And we should do the same thing with this side. Okay? There we go. Okay, now let's make the next row. Let's grab this, copy, and paste. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now we have the third row. Now we can just copy this. Whoops. So we can just copy this, or actually I can just command, there we go. We can command, one sec. So, command, there we go. So now we have a basic plinko. Now what happens if we put marbles into here? This. See, as you can see, these marbles get randomized. And that's what we want. Yes, that's what we want. And, of course, they can get stuck in here, but we can prevent that. And we can try that again. And they'll be in a different order. Remember, light blue, orange, dark blue, yellow, and yeah. And so that's how plinko works. Now it's dark blue, pink, orange, light green, yeah, you know. Okay, so that's what plinko looks like. That's how to make a plinko board. Now I'm gonna just color all this black, so it looks good, like that. And there you have it. You've made a plinko board. Yay. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching. See you at howtodothings.com, and see you at part 13 of how to make a marble race. Bye.